There are several popular enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems that are widely used in the field of accounting. The top accounting ERPs vary depending on factors such as the size of the organization, industry, specific accounting needs, and geographic location. Here are some well-known accounting ERPs. SAP ERP. SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products, is a leading provider of ERP software, offering comprehensive accounting modules, financial reporting, budgeting, and other functionalities. SAP ERP is widely used by large corporations and multinational companies. Oracle ERP Cloud. Oracle offers a suite of cloud-based ERP solutions, including Oracle Financials Cloud. It provides robust accounting capabilities, financial reporting, analytics, and automation features. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance is an ERP system that provides financial management capabilities, including general ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, budgeting, and financial reporting. It integrates well with other Microsoft products and is suitable for medium to large organizations. NetSuite ERP. NetSuite, owned by Oracle, is a cloud-based ERP system that offers a wide range of accounting features. It includes modules for financial management, revenue recognition, financial planning, and reporting. NetSuite is known for its scalability and is popular among small to medium-sized businesses. QuickBooks Enterprise. QuickBooks Enterprise is a widely used accounting software designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers advanced accounting features such as inventory management, advanced reporting, and customization options. Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is a cloud-based ERP system focused on financial management. It provides accounting functionalities such as general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and financial reporting. Sage Intacct is suitable for small to mid-sized organizations. Epicor ERP. Epicor ERP is an integrated software suite that includes accounting and financial management modules. It caters to a range of industries and provides features such as general ledger, cash management, fixed assets, and financial reporting. These are just a few examples of the top accounting ERPs available in the market. It's important to carefully evaluate your organization's specific needs, and consider factors like scalability, industry suitability, and budget before choosing an ERP system. Consulting with ERP vendors and industry experts can help in selecting the most suitable accounting ERP for your business.